Yeah, I don't have any content to upload. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, stop caring so much. I even made sure to keep my YouTube hidden. I have no family and friends. The main reason why I got into YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna be talking about how YouTube changed my life. I know it's been like years now that I've been into this platform, but this is the first time that I'm gonna be talking about how this platform really changed my life. I've been in YouTube for quite a good while now, and let me tell you, it's been a crazy ride. Back when I started, there was no YouTube partner program, so there was no money involved. We were just all like doing our thing, and we were uploading videos for the fun of it. The main reason why I got into YouTube was because of memories. I was traveling in the US and I had my camera with me. So me and my best friend started vlogging. Just, to capture those moments. We never even planned to share it to the public. But then, I needed a place to store all those memories. So I thought, why not edit and upload on YouTube? It was like I was using YouTube as a storage space. After my travels, I took a break from YouTube. Yeah, I don't have any content to upload because I stopped traveling. I didn't even check my previous uploads at that time. And then I moved to Dubai permanently. I have no family and friends here in Dubai. So I felt the urge to continue my journey. I needed a platform to vent out and to be my outlet to the world. And at that time, they introduced the YPP, or the YouTube Partner Program. And suddenly, everyone was vlogging. Anywhere you go, everyone was just vlogging on their phone or with their camera. As a YouTuber, I can say that it wasn't easy, especially hitting the monetization mark. At that time, my niche is about travel videos. But because I stopped traveling, I had to work in Dubai. I started making videos outside my niche. Just to meet the 4,000 hours and the 1,000 subscribers, which is definitely not easy. I'll admit I got lost along the way. I enjoy editing videos and telling people stories. Now, my channel's all about Dubai. I have videos checking out new cafe. I throw out recommendations to anyone who lives in Dubai or to anyone who wants to visit Dubai. But you know what? I've hit a point where I want to speak out and help people. YouTube's toughened me up, boosted my confidence like nothing else. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, first step, stop caring so much. Stop caring so much. You have to quit worrying others' opinion of you. When I began, people always had something to say. They say something about my outfit choices. They say something about how I talk, my speech. Well, I know some of those criticisms are constructive. Those words really shook my confidence, and those words made me doubt everything. I even made sure to keep my YouTube hidden from my coworkers. I was afraid they would mock me, or worse, lose respect for me. You can imagine just how negative my thoughts were. When I stopped letting it get to me, everything shifted. My confidence surged on top. Ideas flooded my mind. I was finally putting the pieces back together. So, if you want to start your YouTube channel, here's a tip for you. Don't jump into YouTube for cash. Yeah. If you've seen a lot of videos or you've heard a lot of stories that YouTubers make money and you have the urge to become a YouTuber because of the money, please don't do it. Start YouTube if you want to inspire people. And most importantly, do it because you are passionate about it. I can't stress that enough. I've always believed that when you're doing what you love, it doesn't feel like work. And let me tell you, YouTube is no joke. It is a serious commitment and a ton of effort. Sure, I don't have a lot of subscribers, but this platform really changed my life. And now, I want to change other people's lives too. After this video, I want to start making videos like this. Videos that will help other people. Videos that will give information. I might not be an expert on this, but I'm learning. And you can learn with me. Thank you for watching this video. Bye!